The Nuwave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop offers an impressive 1800 W of power, providing fast and efficient cooking. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price in the description below. It features 94 precise temperature settings, allowing you to fine-tune from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, perfect for everything from delicate sauces to perfectly grilled steaks. The intuitive digital controls make it easy to adjust on the fly without starting over, and the high-quality materials used ensure durability and performance. Tested and certified by NSF, this cooktop is built to last, meeting commercial-grade standards and passing rigorous durability tests. The Shatter-Proof Ceramic Glass surface is designed to withstand intense heat, offering safety and reliability. With 85 to 90% of electromagnetic energy converted into heat, the Pro Chef is faster, more efficient, and safer than traditional stovetops, making it an ideal choice for both professional kitchens and home cooks who demand precision. It's portable, powerful, and built to last, making it a perfect addition to any culinary setup. Whether you're simmering, sautéing, or searing, you'll enjoy precise control over every dish. Its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use, yet sturdy enough for everyday cooking needs. With Nuwave's trusted performance, you can count on reliable results every time you cook. This cooktop is more than just a cooking tool, it's a game changer for your kitchen, saving you time, energy, and effort. So whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing a quick meal, the Nuwave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop offers the precision and power you need to perfect every dish.